Today we're going to be showing you how to gain access to the internal components of the WS-48 series range hood. And as you can see, we actually went ahead and already removed the filters. If you don't know how to do that, go ahead and watch our other videos which give you a step-by-step guide on how to remove the filters. Now before we go in here, we are going to be dealing with electrical components. We're going to make sure that the power has been cut off to the unit. We've already went ahead and did that. And the next step is to actually remove the side panels. One here and the other one on the right, and each is being held in place by 2 screws. One sitting here at the top, one sitting here at the bottom. Total of 4 screws. So we're going to get those screws out, get the side panels out, and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, now that we've got the side panels out, the next step is to actually go ahead and remove the 6 screws that are holding this upper plate in place, along with this back plate in here. And it's actually being held in place by 6 screws. One here, one here, one here, one on the out, and then you have 2 on the inside. 1 and 2. So let's go ahead and get all those 6 screws out, and from here we'll gain access to all the internal components. Okay, now that we have all 6 screws removed, we can actually go ahead and start by lifting on this outer piece here, which holds the light fixtures in place. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and slide this out, and we can go ahead and set this aside. Before doing so, it's actually best to go ahead and disconnect the light fixtures themselves, so it's actually not pulling on the wires. So we can actually go ahead and disconnect them, as you can see here, and we can go ahead and set this aside. Okay, now we set aside the bracket for the LED light fixtures. We can actually go ahead and lift this inner bracket here and flip it over, and as you can see now we have access to all of the internal components, the capacitor and the IC board. And if you follow this main wire harness here, you can see we have access now to the control switch.